Hey there, I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make healthy pumpkin bars with healthy food alternatives. These easy pumpkin bars are so moist and delicious, you'd never know. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, and sugar-free too. After watching, make sure you go to the comments and download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook. So moist and delicious. This is such an amazing gluten-free pumpkin recipe. Those who taste these say they are the best pumpkin bars because they are super moist and they love the creamy non-dairy topping. And these support a healthy gut diet plan too. So first, let's preheat the oven to 375. And with a medium mixing bowl, add 2 cups of pumpkin puree from a can or freshly baked, 4 eggs, and a half a cup or 1 stick of butter or spread room temperature. Then we're going to add our secret sauce, our essential oils, 2 drops of cinnamon essential oil, 2 drops of ginger essential oil, and 1 drop of cloves. These are all immune boosting and good for digestion and are superb when it comes to flavor for sure. So we're going to mix this all in until it's nice and creamy. And then we're going to add 2 cups of almond flour, 3/4 cup of golden monk fruit or coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, a 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, and a 1/2 cup of nuts. Then we're going to mix it all together until it's nice and blended. And from there, we're going to spread it in our 9 by 13 cake pan and smooth it out really good. And then we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for about 25 minutes or maybe a little bit more. Now before frosting, you must completely cool. But to prepare the frosting, get 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and put the coconut cream into your mixing bowl. Then add a tablespoon of powdered monk fruit or allulose, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 3 drops of lemon essential oil, and then just whisk it all together until nice and creamy. Then we're going to spread it on our cooled bars. These are so moist and creamy. You'll just love the combination of them, and everybody else will too. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go to the description below, ask your questions, comment, download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook there, then like and subscribe. See you in my next video.